In this video, I will show you on how to fix YouTube channel community guideline violation on your phone without any stress. So let me walk you through. The very first thing you want to do is, if you are using Android phone, just make sure you go to install right here on your Android phone. If you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on search icon right here. Having click on search icon, come to search app, and here, then go ahead and type in YouTube Studio right here, and then hit on search, and it's going to take you right here. Make sure you go ahead and download YouTube Studio right here, and then after a successful download, go ahead and click on open. I have already downloaded this app right here, so if you are logging in for the first time, you'll be asked to log in with your YouTube username and password. Just enter your YouTube username and password, and it's going to take you to your channel dashboard right here. Now, for you to see channel community guideline violation on your phone, go ahead and click on the profile icon from the top corner right here, and then here you go. Go ahead and click on account status right here, and then here you go. Then right here you can see this channel here. I have a community guideline strike right here. What we want to do here is to go ahead and click on it to open details. Just like so. So from the section right here, harmful or dangerous content that violates YouTube terms of service, or that dangerous, that encourage others to do so, is not allowed on YouTube. This including, you can click on more right here and read details about it. This including content that instruction about how to download. So you can see the community violation of that particular video right here. And then what's next? If you select take action, you can appeal if you think we got it wrong. And you can also take an optional training to remove the warning after 90 days. So for you to take an action, go ahead and click on take action right here. So once you take an action, you'll be told either you take a training right here. I've already taken training for this particular violation right here. And then what you need to do, you have not taken a proper training, or you want to appeal, you can either take training or appeal for the decision right here, and then wait for YouTube policy reviewer and to get back to you based on your choice of decision, whether to take a proper training or to take a proper training, or to appeal for a wrong decision by YouTube community. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.